Hi everyone, welcome to this Excel tutorial. Now consider a company scenario wherein you would want to analyze city-wise data. These are the city names. Hence, you would want to create sheets for each of these city names. So we have in all 50 city names. So we want to create 50 sheets for each city. Each city one sheet. This can be done by inserting blank worksheet and copy pasting each city name one by one, which is definitely time consuming and a boring task. Sure, a solution has always been Excel VBA or recording macros, but not everyone with limited Excel knowledge can do it. In this tutorial, you will learn how to insert multiple sheets in just 5 seconds in single click without any macros or VBA codes just by using pivot tables. So let's dig in. Select your data, go to insert, pivot table. Now drag the city name under filter. Now if you see here, you will get pivot table options. Click on analyze. Under the options tab, select show report filter pages. Click on the city name and hit OK. Boom, you have all the city names here. Now to delete these pivots in each city name, just select the first sheet and go to the last sheet. And now press the shift button. It helps us to select all the sheets at a time. Now select these first two columns. Right click. See here the delete option is disabled. It won't let us delete the pivot table. So what we can do is we can hit on clear contents. So now we'll see that all the pivot table has gone from all the sheet. Isn't it the quickest and smartest way of inserting multiple sheets? So if you have liked the video, then please comment, and if you need tutorial or any other Excel functions, then please leave me a comment. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and don't forget to like and share this video with your friends, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you all and stay safe. Bye bye.